Hi, this is Vince Curie. I'm getting back into reloading. I purchased a Henry rifle in .44 Magnum, and I decided I wanted to make a roll around loading bench, and I could put it in the corner of my big, you want to call it recreation room, dining room. And what I used, and I have several of these, but I got it in green to match my RCBS loading rock shucker Supreme. Now here's the U.S. General's Harbor Freight. Here's the size, 26 long, 22 wide, roller cabinet. And what I did was, the first thing I did actually was I changed the wheels. And I purchased these wheels on Amazon, and I'm going to show you the link. Now these are strong wheels, and what is good about them is that this toolbox now swivels. See? In other words, I could roll it into the corner, and all the wheels lock on the bottom. Heavy duty wheels. I'm going to show you the link, and I'm going to show you another link. First I'll show you the installation. I mounted a strong folding down attachment for the rock shucker, which is mounted on the inlinefabrication.com stand. And this here is bolted to the rock shucker, and it has a wing nut on both sides, and then this whole unit that's mounted to the plate comes off, and you could get another attachment if you wanted to put a vise on it, a 40-pound vise, and you can get an attachment for the case trimmer that'll go on here, all on the inlinefabrication.com website. All right, now the hinges, I'm going to show you the link. They're stainless steel, and to drill through them, you need a cobalt bits, because this stainless steel, I gotta tell you, is tough. Now, the reason I purchased this, on the bottom, it has a release, and a release here. Right here, and you I'm holding the camera, but you unlock one side, you unlock the other side, and this goes down flush. This way I could roll it into the corner in the back of this room, back there, a little back there, right by the patio door. So now this is very, very strong, and the hinges, each hinge is supposed to hold 440 pounds. So what I did was I mounted them on the top, on both sides, on here and on the other side, is drilled all the way through. This is 1.5 inches thick, and right here there's the bolt head, which is an Allen. It's an Allen. I wanted to make sure that's a class 8 bolt. I wanted to make sure that this was the strongest of those self-drilling screws, because I wanted a nut and a strong bolt at the top, because when the weight's on here, this depends, but this is going to push against here with the weight here, and these have to hold so they don't rip out here. Okay? All right. Now, the rock chucker with the stand is 33.6 pounds. So this is strong enough. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this on here, and this threaded screw, you see I have the inserts. That's a 1/4 20, and I got the insert that allows this to be flush this way. This would lay flush on there, because when you're pulling down on the handle, it's going to try to pivot on here and lift up on this end. And I'm going to just pause the camera, and I'm going to hook it onto this. See? And this now is strong. Now, on this end, you see when I push this? Okay. So, I store my wing nut up here. And then this holds that end down. Okay, so now I could push. And this holds securely. All right, now I'm going to show you the website on Amazon. All right, here's the website. And these are 1954. And they're stainless steel and very, very, very strong. You could see load 440 pounds. All right, on Amazon. All right, and I put some white lube over here on these. All right, now the other thing I'm going to show you is, I'm going to show you the wheels. That was the first thing I purchased. And here are the wheels. Each wheel load capacity 300 pounds. That's plenty, actually. The toolbox is under 2, and the loading stuff isn't, this is each wheel. Each wheel is 300 pounds, so it'll share the load that will be in the tool chest. So that's the setup, and I highly recommend it. The tool chest, they normally go for about $3.29. It just happened to be on sale for $2.99. You can't use discount coupons on toolboxes, welders, and certain other brand names. But anyway, I got plenty of room in the drawers for my my projectiles, storage of my cases, and various RCBS stuff. The gunpowder, and my dies are Lee, and I bought the carbide. I bought the 4. I got one in the press. I bought the 4 carbide for the 44 Magnum. And we got the different gunpowders. Here's the one I'm going to be loading, the 44 Magnum. I want to load them down, not hot, not full Magnum. This way I could use them in the indoor range. So I got the trail bores for that. I bought 3 cans. I bought 4 cans of it, and I bought 2 of the H110 if I load to Magnum. And it uses the large pistol primers. I also bought the Keat style cast bullets in 245 grain. So I highly recommend it. And you have plenty of room, big drawers. Big drawers. I got a matching paint just in case I wanted to make something, an attachment, a backboard or something. Spring green and Rust-Oleum at the Home Depot. All right, Vince Arcuri, and I thank you for watching.